Hello, Eddie. I'd like to get a softbox light, but I have some more questions. First question, what's the size of the softbox light we can do?
Hello, Wilson. The standard size of the softbox light is 4.8 meters by 2.4 meters, and we can customize the measurements you want. But the length and the width need to be less than 5 meters, or it will be difficult to install the soft film.
Okay, I think the standard size is perfect for one bay. Second question, I have seen many of your cases. I saw many customers do their logo on the box light. Can you also do it for me?
Yes, of course. We can put your logo on the softbox lightning, and all the service is free. It will help you to promote your brand when you take photos under the softbox lightning with your logo.
Nice. Can you also show me how to install it?
Yes, we also have the installation menu, and here is the installation video for your reference.
Light up your workshop.
Find some star.